What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today we have a super exciting video because today we'll be learning magic together. Let's do it. Now, I gotta say, I'm actually pretty hyped about this because I've actually never learned a card trick with you before. So we'll see how this video goes. If it goes well, then we'll maybe start a series on this. Let me know again in the comments. So, the trick, I want to start off, nice and simple. Don't want to go too crazy with it since this is the first video. So it's called Gemini Twins, and it's by Flourishes. So I'm just going to go with Flourishes because that's what I think it is. And if I'm butchering the name, just let me know in the comments that you don't know how to sound words out. Okay, so the effect is a magician removes 2 cards from the deck and places them face up on the table. The deck's handed to the spectator. They'll start dealing cards face down onto the table. When they stop, the magician places 1 face-up card on top of the dealt pile. The rest of the deck is placed on top. And the spectator deals again. When they stop, the magician faces the other card face-up at that point. They put the rest of the cards on top. And then upon examination of the placement of the face-up cards, the spectator sees that he/she/other stop dealing where the 2 prediction cards twins were located. So I know that was a whole mouthful, but from my understanding, as a magician, I pick out 2 cards. The person deals some amount of cards, boom, 1 card goes there. Person deals another amount of cards, boom, this card goes there. And then when the cards are all spread open, we see that the cards that are placed next to it are the twins. So for King of Spades, it should be King of Clubs, and for Queen of Diamonds, it should be Queen of Hearts. But so it didn't really work this time. So clearly, I didn't read how it's done. But let's actually see how it's done. So at the beginning of the trick, take 2 prediction cards out of the deck. The prediction cards are actually the twins. So Hearts is Diamonds, Spades is Clubs, of the top and bottom cards of the deck. So actually, I think I could say, you can actually let the spectator shuffle up the deck before you start. And then the twins that you're picking are actually going to be the twins of the bottom card and of the top card. So in this case, the bottom card is 3 of spades, top card is 6 of spades. Let's just change it up. We'll say bottom card is 3 of spades, top card is 7 of hearts. So the 2 prediction cards that you're going to pick is going to be the 3 of clubs, if I could find that. Where is this guy? There it is, 3 of clubs, and then the 7 of hearts will be 7 of diamonds. Okay, so you got the twins of this and this. Okay, now remove the prediction cards and place them face up on the table, right? So we can allow the spectator to see, oh, you guys can't see. So we can allow the spectators to see these 2 cards. Where are we now? Instruct the spectator to deal cards into a pile face down and stop when they wish. So here it looks like you're giving the spectator all the freedom that they want. They deal as much as they want. Let's just say they stop right here. Okay, when they stop, place the twin card of the card originally on the bottom of the deck onto the dealt pile face up. So that was originally on the bottom. So the bottom was originally 3 of spades. So we take the 3 of clubs, put that right here, and then you put the rest of the deck on top of the face-up card. Have the spectator gather up the deck and repeat by dealing again. So they deal again, hibbity-doo-dah, bibbity-bee. Let's say they stop right here, and you repeat the same process. Boom. And then run through the deck. Maybe I'll do like a magic wave here. Run through the deck and find the card to the right of each face-up card. So, boom. 3 of clubs that was placed here. To the right, we got 3 of spades. And boom, card was placed here, 7 of diamonds. To the right of it is the 7 of hearts. So I gotta say, it's not a bad trick. Yeah. So all in all, I think this is actually a great, easy trick to do. All you gotta do is know the top and bottom card, get the prediction, remember which card's on top and which card's on bottom, otherwise you're gonna screw yourself up. But aside from that, I think it's really great, straightforward, not much skill involved. I think definitely recommended for beginners. And again, I started off easy because I didn't really know how this video would go. But yeah, I don't really know what else to do now. So So again, this was the first video of its kind, so I'd love to get your opinion on it. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought, what you like, what you didn't like, and if I should continue doing these types of videos. So with that being said, I'll see you in another video. Peace out.